Looking for an effective way to earn extra cash? In this video, I'll reveal a great method that allows you to make $1,600 or more per question you answer. Imagine getting paid generously for sharing your opinion. This opportunity is perfect for anyone seeking financial freedom. Join me as I unveil the secrets to making money by providing answers. Don't miss out on this incredible chance to boost your income. Watch now and start earning today. Watch the video to the end and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. I am always sharing amazing methods to make money online. Now, let's get started. Ready to turn your opinion into cash? Imagine getting paid $1,600 or more for each question you answer. No, it's not a dream. With MindSumo.com. MindSumo is a revolutionary platform where you can earn big bucks simply by sharing your opinions with others. No more struggling to make ends meet or wasting hours on low-paying gigs. Become a part of an exclusive community and start earning substantial income by answering questions that truly value your knowledge and experience. MindSumo is the leading platform for problem solvers to apply their creativity and innovation by working on crowdsourcing challenges. The problem solvers who submit the best ideas to challenges can earn money, gain skills, and potentially even land a job. MindSumo is now open to everybody. Anybody can create an account on MindSumo with a valid email. Also, you can associate your Facebook and Twitter accounts to your MindSumo account on your edit profile page. You can then use those social accounts to sign in to MindSumo. The only way for you to earn from MindSumo is to participate in challenges. Simply create your MindSumo profile and add information about your problem-solving skills. Submit ideas for the challenges you're interested in trying to solve. Every challenge has a deadline and a set of deliverables you need to meet. In most of the challenges, the questions you have to answer already have a set of possible answers you just can choose from. Then you have to explain the solution you are offering for the challenge. Once you've submitted your answers, you just have to wait for the challenge to end. When a challenge is completed, the company hosting the challenge takes some time, usually 2 weeks, to review all the solutions that have been submitted. They then select the designated number of winners to receive prizes based on creativity, relevance, and feasibility. The winners are then notified via email and can redeem their prize money through the MindSumo payment system. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Sign up now and start turning your answers into cash. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it and found it helpful, give it thumbs up, comment, and share. Your support matters. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for more insightful videos like this.